while other people are giving up, feeling like victims, feeling powerless, becoming negative, turning on each other, feeling that they can't make it. Be ye not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind with the mindset of that it's possible, that I can find a new profession, a new job. It's possible. I can create a new life, and it's necessary that I become actively involved in becoming a positive force in my life and on the planet. And it's me, yes, it's you. And it's going to be hard. Easy is not an option. But if it's hard, we will do it hard. Whatever is required to snatch victory from the jaws of defeat. And it's worth it, yes. It's worth whatever we have to do. And once we know that, it is done. It is done.
And welcome back. Jobs and Responsibilities of a Freight Broker. Dr. Cam Todd, video number 6 in a series. Jobs and Responsibilities of a Freight Broker. As previously mentioned, freight brokers are essentially middlemen in the freight and logistics industry. Their job is to find a shipper who needs their products or cargo moving from point A to point B, and then match them up with a carrier who can deliver it. Understanding the different jobs and responsibilities freight brokers have will help you determine if you're ready to rock and roll. 4 essential jobs and responsibilities of the freight broker. Generally speaking, a freight broker has 4 main areas of responsibility, which are: number 1, guaranteeing the safe transit of cargo from the shipper via the carrier to a consignee. Number 2, collating all the necessary paperwork for the load, including reports and documents. Number 3, negotiating the terms and rates with both your client and the carrier, and settling all the payment obligations in a timely manner. And finally, number 4, ensuring all customers are satisfied and being looked out for new business. With that, we run to 10 key tasks freight brokers must carry out. There are 10 key tasks that a freight broker must carry out as part of their responsibilities. Number 1, work with both carriers and shippers to obtain fair rates for specific loads and make sure there's some commission left over to pay yourself. Number 2, look for suitable carriers to collect and deliver the cargo to their final destination. Number 3, prepare all the necessary documents and information about the load, including damage reports if any, bills of lading, etc. Good computer software can help with this. Keep in contact with both the carrier and the shipper to ensure the delivery is collected and reaches its final destination in a timely manner. If required, arrange for load storage. Provide solutions to problems if any issues arise while the load is in transit. Get confirmation from the truckers and consignees that the load has been delivered according to the load information and that it's on time. Ensure carriers are paid on time and payments are collected from shippers. Promote your business using good quality marketing materials. Build relationships with companies, carriers, individuals, and other important stakeholders within your industry to obtain new business. Plus, any other responsibilities expected from you that will ensure the load gets to its correct destination on time. Once the shipment has departed from the shipper, it's your responsibility to look after it. In order to be successfully at this, you must possess a number of key skills and the right mindset. We'll have a look at what that entails. Number 11, essential skills of a freight broker. If you want to be a successful freight broker, you'll need to have some specific attributes. That's not to say you can't be a successful freight broker without these attributes, as you can be. However, if you don't have them, you'll have to put in a bit more work to develop these characteristics. So let's have a look at the 11 essential skills and traits a freight broker must have. 1, education and training. While it's always good to expand your knowledge to learn more skills, it's always beneficial to develop the skill of educating other people. This may be educating a new employee about freight loads or telling an experienced carrier about lower freight rates. Whatever it may be, you need to have the ability to get the message across effectively. Self-motivation. A freight broker will achieve much more success if they actually enjoy the job they're doing and have plenty of passion and drive. The key here is motivation, which could be in the form of being able to spend more quality time with your loved ones or more money to spend on your hobbies. One thing I will say, though, for most freight brokers, money isn't the main motivator in doing the job. With this, I'll go ahead and close for video number 6 and looking forward to video number 7. Make it a great day.